podcast run. Today I will introduce you 13 pieces Shank twist drill base set. The material is high-speed steel. It is made of high-performance steel. Different metals and plastics can be easily drilled. The high-quality titanium coating ensures rapid propulsion and a non-surface knife. And you can see this is 1/4-inch hex shaft. It is designed for cordless screwdrivers and allows you to change drills quickly. The size of this set is from 1.5 mm to 6.5 mm. This set is ideal for workshop, DIY, toolbox, home crafts, handmade, or for professional use, such as joiners, builders, and electricians, and so on. Such as the twist drill set with hex shank, we have other different combination. For example, 7 pieces set. For packing, what you see is double blitzed. It can show the drill's detail cleanly. Even you can use display box. For example, 12 sets in a display box that will look like on shelf in the store. Of course, if you have other requests, we could provide a customized service according to your request. You can contact us at any time. Thank you.